Have you ever wondered why Gmail already knows how to reply to your emails before you even start typing? The answer might surprise you. Hidden Gmail settings allow Google's AI to analyze your emails by default, and most Android users have no idea it's happening. If you use Gmail on your Android phone, there's an important privacy setting you should check right now. Open Gmail. Tap the three-line menu. Scroll down and tap Settings. Select your Gmail account. Then scroll down to Google Workspace Smart Features. Open it and turn off Smart Features in Google Workspace. This stops Gmail from using your email content to personalize features across Gmail, Google Chat, Meet, Drive, and other workspace services. Also turn off Smart Features in other Google product. Next, go back and select Smart Features. Turn this setting off as well. This prevents Google from using your Gmail activity to personalize other services like Wallet, travel suggestions, reservations, reminders, and similar features. Once both settings are disabled, Gmail will rely less on AI personalization and reduce how your email content is used across Google's ecosystem. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more Android privacy tips.